This one. Pause at my door and pause and pause at my door. Oh, Pepper, why are you pawing at my door? Don't push me away. Act like you love me. Ah! Cats. Look at you guys. My tomato, jalapenos, and so I have to transplant these. I just found out that this guy is coming to pick up Gallo right now, which I didn't realize was happening right now. But, so I guess he's going. I'm kind of sad, but then I'm kind of happy. I don't really know how I feel. Look at him. Go around, Max. Go around. Max, no. No.
Okay. Ahora sí. There's no way. Jasmine, no coja miedo.
I'm not. Just shut up. Tú tienes más miedo que yo.
Obvio. Agájalo.
Fernando. This is too close.
¿Ya Jasmine lo tiene ahí?
Gallo. It's okay, Gallo.
Sí. Sí.
Aw, I feel bad. You want to know what I'm eating? This is a fruit from a tree. It grows, the fruit is in a vine, kind of like a pea in a pod, kind of like that. And you take out the fruit. And eat around, and inside, when you eat off the meat of the fruit, there's a nut. Well, not a nut, it's a seed inside. It's called guama. It's really good. Okay. This is it. You pull it open. And there's the fruit on the inside. You just take it out. That's it. It's delicious. Very, very sweet. I think I'm going to start doing one vlog a week. So, I think that's a good idea. I don't know. One vlog a week, and I should pick a specific day, but I just feel like if I pick a day, that'll be too much of a commitment for me. I don't know. We'll see what happens. So, as always, Mama and Islands, I hope that you liked it. We're just getting ready to eat supper, so we're starving, we're hot, and we're trying to fill gallons of water. So,